Okay, okay, children.
PowerPoint.
Hi, everyone. So, welcome back to the IT session. So, we are going to do the introduction to PowerPoint. Okay. Before that, we'll see what does this PowerPoint mean. What is this PowerPoint? Okay. Can you see the screen? Here in the screen, you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this? PowerPoint is a graphical presentation program used to organize and present information. This means if you want to show something about your idea, now we have a way to communicate to the audience, to a large audience. Okay, so not only 10 or 5 okay, people. So we have a large gathering. We say you want to have hundred people to talk about your topic. This is the way we have to use PowerPoint. We say if you have an idea, that's it. PowerPoint present consists of number of individual pages. So how are you going to make it? With what? We have to use what? It's called the slides. Okay, we have to include slides. Okay, so slide. So slides contains text, graphics, sound, movie, and other objects that can, okay, freely arrange. Right, you can be freely arranged. So you can use many things, not only, okay, not only other things. Okay, right. So a presentation can be printed. After you create your presentation, you can what? You can print it or display on a live screen or in a computer, right? So, right, for the large audience, the presentation is often projected to the large screen. Okay. Now, when you see, right, when you right, so how are you going to take this? When you take this PowerPoint, let's see some of the how to start. So you have to go to start, then you are getting the what? In the all labs you can see the PowerPoint. So click on that, then you are getting the screen. Okay, right, so you have to click on the blank presentation. So click on the blank presentation, you are getting this. So here you can see the parts of that here. Okay, now when you open the PowerPoint, you can see there are views we will talk about in later. There are 5 views. Okay, so we are in a normal view, right? So that's why we can see in the screen the PowerPoint editing window is called the normal view. The normal view in PowerPoint features several commonly used tabs, panes, and tools. We will use normal view as we create and design our presentation. When you want to design, when you want to create, so we should be in this view. This is the view. This is one of the views. This is the normal view. Okay, okay, kids. So this is the normal view. So we are in this view. We want to create. So in this one, we're going to see the first one we have. Okay. So look at in your books also. So they have labeled the past. Okay. First one we can see. You can see here. It's called a ribbon. So what is this ribbon? So it's ribbon in here. You can see the ribbon in here, this one. So ribbon is replaces a menu bars seen in the previous version of PowerPoint, right? Right? The ribbon groups items that are mostly like to be used together. So you are going to that. There are several frequently used tabs. Frequently used means much commonly. So you are using almost all the times, right? So it's called frequently. Such as what? We have file, right? Then home, insert, right? Right? Design and view. So clicking on these steps activate the groups of relevant commands and menus, right? There are also contextual tabs, right? So that only show up to the only we needed, such as text boxes, picture tool, drawing toolbars, right? Charts, like etc. Right? Now here, when you go to see here, this is the window you are getting in the first time when you click the blank. So you can see they have given number one is quick access toolbar. So it's in here. So you can see here, this is the quick access toolbar over here. So what is this used for? It contains what? the buttons for the most commonly used commands such as save, those things. So in the Word also in the Office package, most of them have are in the quick access tool. Those buttons save, new, undo, print. Those are in that one. Then the number two we have the title bar. Title bar. I mean it has a. You take this one. It has a title here. In here you can see here and here is title, a name for this presentation. So name of the presentation is there. So it displays at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the presentation that currently open. So whatever you are open, it displays. Okay. So if you have opened another one, it displays another one. Okay. Right. So in this one, in the corner, you can see there are three buttons. You can see minimize, maximize, and close buttons. So those are the and restore. Then the number three, as you here, you can see it's highlighted here, the ribbon. So ribbon, it displays just below the title bar. So you can see the title, right? Right. So contain the multiple tabs. So multiple tabs you can see, right? So this tab contains the commands divided into groups. So when you click on each tab, each has a different groups. Okay, right? When you go to the home, it has a different tabs, right? So click part, then the slides, right? Those things are there, right? Then the number four, right? Number four is called a dialog launch box. So dialog launch box, right? So here, what does that mean? It is an icon that appears in some groups at the bottom of the right corner. On clicking the a dialog box open that provides more commands related to groups. So you can add those things. Then the number five, it's called slide navigation pane. Slide. Now you can see slide navigation pane. Here you can find out how many slides are available. Now here you can see only one slide. If you add more slides, you can see how many slides, right? Allows you to preview all the slides in the presentation. You can add, delete, duplicate, and rearrange slides in the slide navigation pane. Now here in the moment you can see only one slide. If you add more slides, you can see one after another, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. You can see the number of slides. So those slides you can rearrange or the adding or delete or modify, right? Then the number six is the ruler. Ruler means you can see the ruler, but we have two kind of rulers, vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal rulers are there, right? So located at the top of to the left and the current slide. The ruler makes it easy to align text and object on the slide. So you can find out where's the exact position you have your work. Okay, so rulers are there. Then the number seven, we have the slide pane. Slide pane. What? A slide is a displayed in the slide pane at the center of the PowerPoint with point window. You can view and edit the slide in the slide pane. Okay, slide pane you can do, right? Then the number eight called the placeholder. It is a dotted rectangular box in slide, right? Right, where you can place text or image. So here you can see this dotted line here. You can see this one. So click to add here, right? So here you can see there, right? This one here, the dotted here, there, right? In that one. Then the number nine, here we have called notes, notes pane or the notes. These are used to add your notes to the current slide as known as speaker's notes. We say if you are the presenter, you can add your notes, extra notes to the notes pane. Okay, right? Then the next one, number 10, we have the comments. So comments, what the review can be leave comments on the slide. Click comments to view the comments to the current slide. So you can add the comments, whatever the comments you want to add to the slide also. Then the number 11, we have the view buttons. View buttons. So view, what are the views, right? So let's see what are the views they have given, right? So you can view the slide using any of the following buttons. Now, this moment we are in the which one? Normal view. So you are in the normal view, right? So you can change to normal view to another view by clicking these view buttons. Okay. The first one they have given is the normal. What is this normal? Okay, it is a default view. Default view means whenever you start the PowerPoint, it's come with which view? The normal view, right? So this is view shows the slide navigation pane and the selected slide. Okay, that shows the selected. Then the number two view is what they have called slide sorter. So slide sorter, it will come with small icons or the miniature form of the all the slides in the presentation. If there are so many, it says 10 slides, so 10 slides will be viewed. You can see all the 10 slides are there. So you can rearrange them whatever you want in the slide sorter. So you can sort it out. Which come first, which come last, which come in the second, which come in the third. Likewise, you can sort it out in the slide sorter. Then the next one we have the reading view. So reading view, it hides all the editing tools to make your slides easier to review. So that's the reading view. And the last one we have the slide show view. It displays the slides in the presentation one by one on the screen. One by one on the screen. Then there's another one we call the outline view. So outline view, right? Outline view, you can see the only the text without the slides. Okay, the text you have typed you can see, right? Then the next one, number 12, is for the zoom control. Zoom control. What's that zoom control? It means you can make the things bigger and smaller. It means you can see clearly. Right? Click and drag the slide to use the zoom control. The number to the right of the slide shows the zoom percentage. Here, you can see here, in this one, you can say zoom. You can make it larger or you can make it smaller, right? So, right, so the percentage. You can also click the fit slide to, okay, fit slide to current window, right? Current window button to the right of the zoom control, right? Then we have the scroll bars, right? There are two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal, right? Vertical and horizontal, right? So vertical and horizontal are, there are two there, right? Okay, any questions up to there? Right, so we just see now. Okay, how to opening a new PowerPoint or the creating a new PowerPoint, right? Right, so look at this screen now. Okay, right, now look at this one. So you can see when you this one you have to take a new one, opening one. So you have to click on the new button. So new buttons is always give you to what? To create a new presentation, right? Create a new presentation, you have to click the new button here on the file menu. That's called new. Then what is the open? Lets you to navigate an existing files. So you can open recently you have saved one or you have saved earlier one. You can open it. Then the reason display what? The recently you have saved. You say I have done a PowerPoint yesterday. It will show me first that one. If I create a PowerPoint today, it will show me before the yesterday ones is today's one is display in the list. So from that list, you can take out the recently opened one. Okay. The next one we have here is creating a presentation. Look at here. So you can create in these three ways, right? So first one they have given is the using themes or the theme. What is this? Okay. Okay, creating a presentation. Okay, a presentation can be created in three ways. So what are those? One is what? Blank presentation. Next one is themes. Next one is in templates. Okay, templates also there. Or you can do it from the existing one also. Okay, okay, right? So this one we have the blank presentation. Okay, blank presentation creates a new presentation using the default setting for text and color. Okay, these slides are not include contents or design. So it means when you blank one, it doesn't contain any design. So that's nothing. So you have to start from the beginning, right? So that's the blank presentation. Or next one we have called the templates or themes. Templates or themes are used to create a new presentation based on the pre-design. What do you mean by pre-design? The design is already there. You just need to take the design, whatever the design you want, and you want to modify according to your requirement or your need. Okay, so these options also do not include the content, right? So that. Then the next one, new from existing one. Okay, then let's see this one. Okay, look at here. So first of all, you go to what? New, right? Then from here, you are going to create. You can see there are option called blank presentation, right? So blank presentation and press the create button, right? So so create button, so it will be created, right? Then when you okay, so when you create this one, the first screen is coming like this. When you choose a blank presentation, okay, okay, PowerPoint will open the presentation with the title slide. Title slide means it has a title one. You can like once a title is open, you will see the slide with the two placeholders. These are called placeholders. You can see there are two, one, two, right? Two, one is to type the title, other one is to type the subtitle like that. Okay, right? Click the inside the placeholder and type and add the title. If you want a subtitle, click the type in the inside the smaller placeholder. This you can see the letters are big here. Can you see in the click title, the letters are big. Here, subtitle you can see it is letters are small, right? So, right, so we can see. So the title normally you can say we say uh, science, science. We say solar system. So solar system who's doing? So by someone else, you can place that name on the subtitle like that. Okay. So if you don't want the subtitle, you can ignore it. So just keep the title and you can go to the next part. Right? So here, okay, you can see here now we can create that. Then how you going to add a new slide? Now you have only one slide now. Now that's the first slide. So how you going to add new slide to here? More slide to here, right? So first of all, there are we can create this way. Okay, right? Look at this one. Right. To add new slide, make sure you are on the home tab. So in this, I told you there's a all tabs here in the home, right? So these are in the home. So home tab, you have to go to new slide, right? When you see the new slide, you can see a small triangle here. Can you see? Can you see small triangle here? New slide. Okay. So new slide, you can click on that. So when you click this small arrow, you can get in the which kind of slide you want to have your presentation. Okay, look at here. The new slide button has two parts. This one, click on the top of the part will automatically insert a new slide. So if you just click on this one, you can see this button, it will add a new slide. But if you want to something have with a different way of a slide, you have to go to new slide, this small down arrow here. Right? So okay, if you have just related to title slide, the new default layout will be title and consist of that. Then next one we have clicking on the bottom of the will give you choice of layouts, right? So you can choose which layout you want to the next slide, right? So select the slide layout by clicking on it and managing the office theme gallery. Now look at here this one. So when you click this one, slide layout, look at this. So you can see all the new slides are not the same way. See, one is we can see here is called title slide. Next one we can see title and content. Okay. Next one we can see is what? Selection header. Next one we have content. To content. To content means you can do comparison. To comparison. Okay, we say example, we say man and machine example. Man and machine you can compare. We say you can compare carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Likewise. So you can put that, right? And a comparison like that, right? So you can hear in the title only. So title only, and we can have blank. Blank we can see there's no anything, nothing. So nothing is included. Then the next one we can see the content with caption. Content with caption. Okay. Then next one with picture with caption. Picture with caption. So picture with caption. Okay, look at here this one. What is slide layout means, right? Okay. There are several standard slide layout to choose from when you adding new slide. Okay, it's very important, right? Listen everyone, right? A unique layout can be chosen by clicking on the bottom half of the slide button
I
in the
put
home tab.
no, I put
When the
loading one.
when the layout gallery open, click on the style you want to add. Whatever the style you want from here, select one of them. Right? New slide appear in the your position. Each layout caption describes the layout type. Content can be text, table, charts, graphics, pictures, clip art, or videos. It can be include that. Which kind of that? If you decide later that the layout choose doesn't work well for the particular slide, select the slide by clicking on it in the thumbnail pane next to the on the layout button slide group on the home tab. Click on the new layout and it will be changed to the new layout. Okay, if you want to, we say you suddenly you select the title slide. Now you don't want that way. You want to have, we say, picture with caption. Then you have to change it that way. So we have to click on that, and when you click this one again, it will change to this. Okay, right. So you can see here layout button, right, right. So layout, you can see layout. So you can change the layout there and click on that. Right. Any questions here, Puta?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
right. Okay, right. Let's see how to apply a theme. Okay, what does this theme means? Okay, once a new presentation is being created, a design or color scheme can be added. Now you can see at the moment, you can see this one. It doesn't have any colors, no? Now if you go to the earlier one, here, you don't have any colors in the background, no design. So we are going to add the design for this one. So from that one, we are going to see adding a theme. Once a new presentation is created, a design or color scheme can be added. Remember to use the color carefully to enhance your presentation, not to detract from you. Because some people are using colors will make your presentation very ugly or we say it's not nice. So you have to use, normally we are saying if you are using a dark background, you have to use light color fonts. Okay, right? You right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you will want to maintain a good contrast between the background color and the text color. Okay, that's why I'm telling you this. Okay, consider using a light color background and a dark text or vice versa. So it is, I say in the other way also. But avoid busy backgrounds and primary colors. Use and say fonts and area black. So calibri. So those were the titles. So splitting. So you normally using a big size or the big scale means 40 to 60 points. Okay. Okay. Subheading should be around 30 to 40 points in size. And the body must be, the body means the content should be have 18 to 32 points likewise. Right. So next see here, PowerPoint has many preset designs and the themes that include complementary colors and the fonts. To add the theme to the presentation, go to the design tab in the ribbon. There are several themes immediately available. Right? To use one of the built-in theme, just click on the thumbnail. Just click on this one of them. It will be applied. Now, if you want to click on this blue color, it will apply blue. If you want to apply this green color one, it will have green color. So likewise, you choose what is the way you design, right? So design there, right? So here on the slide of the thumbnail, there are scroll bars arrow down here, right? So which will offer more designs. So once you go to click down here, you can find out more designs. Okay, right? Right, your office program must be genuine office product. So sometimes you get online templates. So you can download the online from if you have internet connection with your computer, your laptop. So you can connect it that and you can get more designs, not only these. So it should have, it's called genuine one. So it's called the original one, right? Sometimes if you have a pirate copy, it will not allow sometimes. And that's the Microsoft way. Okay. So if you don't want to use the theme, you can be at background style. So background styles means the background, what is the colors you want it to have. So see that you can add some present backgrounds. You can say background, what is the way, right? So you can see here using the background. So you can apply the background. You can put the one color to the background or two colors or gradient colors. Likewise, you can apply, right? So here, that's one. Okay, right. So the time is going out for the moment here, right? So I will stop from here and I will do the next lesson, next part here with the practical session also, with the demonstration also, right? So just this is the introduction to how to what this PowerPoint means and that one. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Thank you, children, for joining.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir.
Okay, bye for
Bye,
now.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Bye, sir.
bye,
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, sir.
bye.
Told you.